Did you ever wonder what these things are? These blue and red buttons in your mom or dad's car. Now, most button pushes are for grown-ups to do. But keep on watching and we'll share how they're used. When either button is pushed, you'll be delighted to find a helpful advisor like me on the line. I work for OnStar, and my name is Dan. As an advisor, I give drivers a hand. Dad's lost and needs directions? Flat tire needs fixing? With a blue button push, we'll be there to listen. In a nasty storm? See a fire in the brush? Push the red button and we'll help in a rush. Remember, the buttons are for grown-ups to use, but there may come a time when they need help from you. Like if the driver gets sick and then needs a doc, or needs to get help but simply can't talk. Then it's okay to push the red button on your own. It's like calling 911 without needing a phone. When you push the red button, you'll hear a voice like mine. It comes through the radio, asking if everything's fine. If you do talk to us, don't be scared. We just want to help you as you drive here to there. Please remember, if you're in danger, go right ahead and push the button that's colored bright red. Sometimes you don't need the red or blue button. Like if a crash happens all of a sudden. Well, if that takes place, please don't start to worry. When we detect it, we'll check on you in a hurry. It's been really nice to meet you. And remember, if you have any questions about OnStar, just ask your mom or dad. I must get back to helping, but first I want to say, please always be safe out there and have an awesome day.